Hey, yeah, this is our new web show, my Olivia's. Well, our first one wasn't very good because we got a lot of bad comments, and so we thought long and hard if we if we could put another one on or not. We decided yeah. So anyway, yeah. Anyway, let's get on with it. Do you know how to make eggs with slime? Well, if you don't, you're gonna find out now. Liv's going to show you how, and I'll be demonstrating as well.
Hey, I'm going to show you how to make eggs out of slime. Leah, do you want to?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Here's my slime. You can have any colour, blue, any
White
colour.
slime as well.
Yes. It's okay. Ours is grey. It's kind of boring, but boring. It's alright. Okay. You get your slime. Yeah. If you have a plastic container like this, then that would be great. If you don't, and if you have a cup like this, that would be fine. Put your slime inside it.
Oh God, move that.
Like that. Ooh. Okay. It's inside it, yeah? You have to turn your tube thing upside down on the table. Like this. Okay. And lift, yeah. And lift it up. So it's like a pancake shape. If it takes too long to spread out, just spread it out yourself with your finger. It doesn't matter if it looks scruffy, because eggs normally look scruffy. Okay, to make the yolk, you have to get it, not pinch it, but not too hard. Lift it up and let go. And it makes a giant yolk. Like, obviously you can't do it there. And then this is mine. I made better, but I suppose it's alright. That is mine. That's mine. No, only good. Only.
Okay.
Okay. The next thing is gonna be. You want to say the next thing that we're gonna do?
Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to have a race with slime. So we've got our washing machine and we're going to put the slime on the washing machine and then blah 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 blah. And then we're going to have a race.
I'm
going to win.
Oh, whatever. I'm using the blue slime. Okay. Okay. Come over here. Leah.
I'm coming. So it's out.
Here, put it on here.
Okay.
That's fine. Yeah. This is our washing machine.
Washing machine.
The song is held on. Okay. You put it at the top so you can get the hairs out of it so it doesn't go over the edge. No cheating.
No cheating, Liv.
I'm not cheating. Okay. So it's like that. Cheater! Okay.
Okay, then. Wait. Hopefully I'll win because we all know
I'm
the
going
best.
to win.
Yeah, shut up. Go. Come on! Oh, yeah.
Come on! No, you cheated! Stop This is really good.
Okay, that's enough now. I can't be bothered.
I can.
We all know that I won.
Yeah.
Can I tell you a secret? My daddy farts in the night.
He snores. He goes. And then goes. Okay. Don't tell no one. Okay, let's go and see how Liv's going on. Hey! Oh my god.
It's so close now. I'm gonna.
Okay.
I was so close to winning.
Slimy. Slimy. Okay. Right then, after the break.
See how mean she is? She ruined my slime.
After the break, we're gonna do some toes tickling stuff and that. So, right there, 2 seconds. Washing machine.
They can still hear you.
Okay.
Hey! You explain, I can't be bothered.
No, you explain, because I explain last one.
Fine. This one. Okay, there was this girl that stuck up with us because we got all those mean comments, and she had a great idea. Why don't we tickle our toes for 30 seconds, and the one who doesn't laugh wins.
God, I tickled my toes in ages.
Okay, let's get your toes all ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Stop making me laugh.
I'm not making you laugh.
Yeah.
You're not tickling your toe,
Oh,
you're rubbing it.
Shut up. Look at you, you're like a...
No, I'm not tickling it.
Okay. That was just like, you know.
Sure, it was 30 seconds.
Yeah. It's just talking. You know.
Oh, I'm just gonna have a drink.
Okay. Hang on, I got a message. Hi again. Right. We'll do my favourite. How to. Oh god, I hate my favourite. Go around there and turn it up. I don't want to turn it up. Turn it down.
Tell them again.
Turn it down.
Thank
Then
you.
listens.
Now we can have my granny now.
Okay.
Oh, you going to bed, dearie?
Yeah.
Alright.
I should turn it off. Like my phone. Okay.
What happened to the song?
I don't know.
Just get your name for that, darling.